Hi, how was your prelims?
Prelims went well, sir. Expecting to write mains.
So is there any PSIR course for the coming mains 2024?
Yes, Insights IAS is coming out with a course specially designed for the PSIR student who are going to write mains this 2024. It will be a crash course.
So what are the features of this new PSIR crash course for mains 2024?
The features of this course are that we are going to complete the syllabus in 16 days. It is a 16 days short duration course. The key aspect of this course is 3R. One is read, second one is revise, third one is retain. So this course will enable you to go through a syllabus within 16 days and able to recall the important thinkers, important theories, and also I'll be providing certain examples and case studies which can enhance the quality of the answer. The third aspect of this course is also we are going to go through certain important IR topics, because IR is one area where we can guess what is the question based on what are the important events that happened. So this is one of the important aspect of this course. We'll also train you to think where you can interlink the part A with part B of paper 1, similarly part A of part B with paper 2, and also we'll look at how to interlink paper 1 and paper 2 because these are all overlapping areas. That will be the other key aspect we'll be looking into the course. And the last important aspect of the course is the previous year questions. Previous year questions are very important, and we'll try to go through as many PYQs as possible and also identify certain important themes which are repeated in the exam. So this is the intention of the course.
There are many courses in the market. What is so unique about this course?
The course is unique in two aspects. One, there is personalized mentorship in that regard. We are taking limited students, that is 30 to 40 students, and one-to-one mentorship will be provided maybe to students offline as well as online students. We can connect over the phone or Telegram or even over Zoom. The second aspect of the course is that here we are looking at developing certain examination skills, not only the knowledge part, because many students believe that knowledge is what gets marks rather than it is the examination skills. For example, how to interlink the questions, where we can connect certain theories. So we believe in the aspect of this course is that rather than feeding a man fish every day, we have to teach him the art of fishing. So this will be the uniqueness of this course in that regard, and our goal will be to target 300 in the examination.
Sir, I want to know what has been the past results in your PSIR test series and crash course at Insights.
At Insights IAS, in last 3 years, with regarding to PSIR, we have produced around 20 to 25 ranks, and you can listen from the toppers' words itself that how Insights PSIR guidance has helped them in securing their rank.
I would like to thank Vinay sir for providing this opportunity and be here. Nikhil sir, obviously he is a constant support in my journey.
ನನಗೆ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು PSIR ತಗೋತಾರೆ.
And for optional, Nikhil sir is there, you can take whatever he say. Especially I took test series from Nikhil sir, so sir will help you a lot in how to structure your answer.
Sir, when and where the course will be launched, and I also want to know whether it is online or offline course.
The PSIR Crash Course 2024 will be launched from July 11th. It will be launched in Delhi. It will be in both offline as well as online course. Offline students can attend the classes in Delhi. It will be from July 11th to 16 days, but the course can be also accessed online by students across India. So it will be an amphibious course. So friends, let's work together for your success. See you in Delhi on July 11th.